Hi, friends! Today we are going to draw one of my favorite snacks, popcorn, a bucket of popcorn. So, what we'll do, you'll start with a line right on the left side of your page, and you can use your pencil, pen, or marker. And today I'm using a pencil, so I'm going to start right about here. We're going to take this line diagonally down. So it won't be straight up and down, it's going to be at an angle, like so. And with the bottom part, we're going to draw a short straight line that's going to be the bottom of our popcorn bucket. Again, you can use a ruler, you can use a notepad, you can use the side of a book to get your line straight. And I'm going to bring that right about here. It's a little larger than what I wanted, but I'm using a pencil so I can erase anything that I don't want. And then now I'm going to create the exact same line that we have on the other side on this side. And I think I wanted it right about here. And I'm just going to get that a little more angled like I want it and draw that right on up. And I just want it to come to the same point as the other one. So if you're using a pencil, it does make it easier to erase any lines that you do not want. If you're using a marker or a pen, that's no worries. If you go over it a little bit, you can just draw right over it. And so for the top part, we're going to create these hills. So I'll show you right here. We'll draw one hill, bring that down. From that point there, we're going to draw another hill and another. We're going to draw 5 little hills for the top of our popcorn bucket. And we'll draw our last hill right here, and we'll connect that with our line. And if you want, you can go back in and you can erase any lines or change it however you see fit, however you like for your drawing or your popcorn bucket. You can do so just like I'm doing here. I'm just making this last hill a little larger like the first one. And mistakes, there are no mistakes in art. Mistakes are our friends. Anything that you don't want, if you're using a pencil or pen, you can just create something else out of that line or out of that mistake. Anything that goes along with your drawing, you decide and you create. So next, what we're going to do, at the bottom points of those hills that we just drew, we're going to draw a line from that point all the way to the bottom of our popcorn bucket. And so what we'll do here, we'll take our ruler or our straight edge and draw that on down just like so. So from each point at the bottom of the hill, you'll just take that line down. So if your line is on that side, you want to angle it a bit because that side of the popcorn bucket is angled. And for each side, you want to do that. And then the 2 in the middle, they'll be a little straighter. And so next what we'll do, let's go ahead and let's fill our bucket with lots and lots of popcorn. So how you would draw your popcorn, just think of clouds over and over inside your bucket. You can make it you can make your popcorn as high as you'd like. You can put as much popcorn in your bucket as you'd like, or you can make it smaller. However you decide. This is your piece of art. You can create it. This is your masterpiece. So you create it however you see fit. So I'm just going to fill this all in with popcorn. And any small areas that I see, you can just add a little line just to make it as there's popcorn back in there. And you just add little lines in little small clouds to illustrate your popcorn. And just fill it all in with your popcorn. And there we have it. There's all our popcorn, our bucket full of popcorn. And this is a cute bucket of popcorn. So what we're going to do to make it a cute bucket of popcorn, we're going to add eyes and a mouth. So what we'll do, we'll put one eye here, and that's going to be an oval shape. And your ovals may not be perfect, just like mine aren't, but I'm just going to go draw back over them. And then you'll put your smile line inside there, and then you just fill that on in. And then for the mouth, we're going to do a rounded upside down triangle. So we'll start here and we'll just round it out. So I've demonstrated before in a previous video on how to get the open mouth expression, and that is with a triangle shape. We're going to turn our triangle upside down and then curve that triangle. You'll curve those points. So right here, we'll take that upside down triangle and we're going to curve it just like this. And then we'll draw our line inside, and that'll be the inside of the mouth. So let's say we'll start right about here, and it's okay that it goes over the lines. Remember, it's your masterpiece. You draw exactly how you'd like. And we'll just curve that around like so. And then on the inside, I'm just going to do a curved line that goes from one side to the other. And I'm going to fill in that back space, which is the inside of the mouth, the back of the inside of the mouth, like so. And there we have it, our cute bucket of popcorn. As I always say, have fun, be creative. Remember, there are no mistakes in art. If you want to go back over your art and fix it, you can do so. Just like here, if you're using a pencil, you can erase. If you happen to use a marker or a pen, you can just color that in, or you can make it something else. There are no mistakes in art. Always remember that. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial today, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And until next time, friends.